Hello everyone. Myself Vijay Singh Golekar, Chairman CDC Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya College, Kharda Taluka Jamkhed District Ahmednagar. First of all, I give warm wishes to both the colleges, Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya Kharda and TC College Baramati District Pune, for organizing such a valuable national seminar on the topic of research methodology and SPSS. Friends, today we see the entire world is in serious and dire situation of coronavirus spreading. World has been locked down since last 2.5 months. But at this calamity, our academics and educationalists are making the best use of this worst time. They are converting a calamity into an opportunity. Last time our Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj Vidyalaya Geography section organized online certificate course on soil conservation. Very important topic was taken, and we see very good response have been taken, and the online course received good and wide response of students, farmers, professors, and environmentalists. Then now it is commendable that this second seminar has been organized extensively at the national level under the Paramar scheme of UGC will certainly help the aspirants in doing their research work. I, as a CDC chairman, thankful and congratulate to the great and visionary leadership of this institution, Dr. Maheshji Golekar, Secretary of this Chhatrapati Shikshan and Arogya Prasarak Mandal Kharda, whose guidance is always inspiring all of us. Also, I will like to congratulate convener of this seminar, Principal Dr. Chandrasekhar Murumkar sir. I also congratulate and thankful to Mr. Prakash Meher sir, coordinator of Paramar scheme of UGC, and entire staff of TC College Baramati District Pune. I would also congratulate Dr. Shivanand Jadhav sir, Principal Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya Kharda, and co-convener of this national seminar, organizing secretary Dr. Omkar Khiste, and entire staff of Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya Kharda. To conclude, I must thanks to all the participants from all over India who came, registered, and participated in this national level seminar. Also, in this 2-day seminar program, many well-known speakers, lecturers guiding us on this important topic. Thanks to all of them. Thanks all of you again, and best of luck.
Good evening to all of you. I am Omkar Balakrishna Khiste, organizing secretary of 2-day national level seminar on research methodology and SPSS. It gives me great pleasure to put forward the report of seminar jointly organized by Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya Kharda, Taluka Jamkhed, District Ahmednagar, and Tuldaram Chaturchand College, Baramati, District Pune, sponsored under the Paramarsh scheme of UGC, dated on 8th and 9th June 2020. In the inaugural function has been took place 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. was chaired by respected Principal Chandrasekhar Murumkar sir, TC College, Baramati. To this inauguration function, Dr. Mahesh Golekar sir, Secretary of Sri Chhatrapati Shikshan and Arogya Prasarak Mandal, Kharda, was present as a chief guest. The introductory speech has been delivered by Professor Sir, has also addressed to the address highlighted the need of seminar methodology and the oath of thanks of this inauguration function has been expressed by Sanjay Holme sir, of made by second session commenced in this session. Resource person Dr. Sharad Gore has delivered the lecture on research. Resource person was given by Mr. Sanjay Holme sir. The vote of thanks for second session of the day first has been expressed by Dhananjay Jawlekar sir. In the third session of day first, the resource person Dr. Om Jadhav sir has delivered lecture on application of statistics in social sciences through the PowerPoint presentation. Again, the resource person introduction and vote of thanks was given by Mr. Sanjay Holme sir. In session first of day 2 of two-day national level seminar, the resource person Dr. Ravindra Jaibhai sir has given the lecture on research methodology. Vote of thanks for this session have been expressed by Dhananjay Jawlekar sir. In the session of second, research person Dr. Sharad Gore sir has presented research methodology through the PowerPoint presentation. The vote of thanks this session has been done by Omkar Khiste. In the session third, resource person Dr. Om Prakash Jadhav sir on application on statistics in social sciences research with SPSS demonstration. Vote of thanks this session have been expressed by Raju Mehtri sir. In the seminar, near about 2,100 participants from overall India have been participated. I, Dr. Omkar Khiste, organizing secretary of two-day national level seminar, would thank respected principal and convener, Dr. Chandrasekhar Murumkar sir. I also thank to co-convener and principal and my keep deep sense of gratitude towards Professor Meher sir and Professor Rahul Shah sir for making this event successfully. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have reached the end of the national level online seminar on research methodology and SPSS, organized by Sri Santa Gajanan Mahavidyalaya Kharda and Tuljaram Chaturchand College, Baramati, under UGC Paramar scheme. It is my task to provide some closing remarks. It is difficult because we shall be closing the door on lively and stimulating session as well as bidding farewell to friends and associates. However, it is also a privilege and an honor to be interested with such an undertaking at a gathering of such eminent people from different parts of the India. Friends, I am pleased to inform you that we got massive response from the participants across the country. More than 2,100 participants were registered and joined each and every session of the seminar. During these 2 days seminar, we have gone through a great journey of research methodology and SPSS. We had interesting session during these 2 days of seminar. As you know, we had started with Dr. Sharad Gore, former head Department of Statistics, Savitribai Phule University, Pune, followed by Dr. Ravindra Jaibhai, Head Department of Geography, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune, about research methodology. These two eminent academicians tried their level best to solve your doubts and queries related to research methodology. I hope that you all are completely satisfied with the content delivery of the resource persons. As a part of last session of day 1 and day 2, Dr. Om Prakash Jadhav, Head Department of Statistics, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad, talked about application of statistics in social science research with SPSS. He also talked about various tools and techniques of SPSS which are useful in social science research. Dr. Jadhav not only delivered theoretical contents but also gave hands-on training of SPSS. I hope that you all are benefited with the content delivery and hands-on training of the resource persons. I believe that all of you have well done through the 2 days national level online seminar. It is my great pleasure that you had fruitful discussion. I wanted you to understand the research methodology and application of SSS in research through the seminar. I observed your great involvement and active discussions, so I can conclude that the purpose of the seminar has been completely accomplished. In addition, your positive manners reveal that you have made careful preparations and great efforts for your participation. I would like to pay my deep respect to all the participants for your positive participation in the seminar. I hope that what you have learned through the seminar will help you a lot in your research and research related activities in the future. I sincerely hope that the new friendship will last a long time and help to lay the foundation of research. Finally, on behalf of Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya Kharda and Tuldaram Chaturchand College Baramati, I would like to express my appreciation to Dr. Chandrasekhar Murumkar, convener of the seminar and principal TC College Baramati. Office bearers of Sri Chhatrapati Shikshan and Arogya Prasarak Mandal Kharda, Dr. Shivananda Jadhav, co-convener of the seminar and principal of Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya Kharda, and Dr. Omkar Kiste, organizing secretary, for taking an initiative and making this seminar successful. I would like to express my words of appreciation to all resource persons, namely Dr. Sharad Gore, Dr. Ravindra Jaivai, and Dr. Om Prakash Jadhav, for delivering very good contents through their live sessions. I would like to express my appreciation to Dr. Avinash Jagtap, Dr. Ajit Telve, Dr. Sachin Gadekar, Vice Principals of TC College Baramati, Dr. Yogini Mule, IQAC Coordinator, TC College Baramati, and Mr. Avinandan Shah, Registrar, TC College Baramati, members of Organizing Committee, Paramarsh Committee, faculty members of Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya and Tuldaram Chaturchand College, Baramati, for taking tireless efforts and continuous support. I would like to close my remarks and officially announce the end of the seminar, wishing the future prosperity in terms of research and research related work of all the participants. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivanand Tanajirao Jadhav, Principal of Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya Kharda. We have been jointly organized 2-day national level seminar in collaboration with Tuldaram Chaturchandra College, Baramati, under the Paramarsh scheme of UGC. The topic of the seminar is research methodology and SPSS. In this seminar, we have got over expected response that near about 2,100 participants from all over the India have been registered. In this seminar, respected Principal TC College Baramati, Dr. Chandrasekhar Murumkar sir has thoroughly guided us in organizing and successfully conducted. I must thank him for his guidance. I would thanks Honorable Secretary of the Institute, Dr. Mahesh Golekar ji, for supporting us in organizing two-day national level seminar. The chairperson of this validatory function, Professor Prakash Ji Meher sir, Coordinator UGC Paramarsh Scheme, TC College Baramati. I must thank him for collaborating to organize two-day national level seminar. Next, the guest of honor present with us, Mr. Vijaysian Nagolekar, College Development Committee Chairman of our Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya Kharda. I would thank him for supporting in organizing this seminar. I must thank all the resource person, Dr. Sharad Gore sir, Dr. Ravindra Zaibhai sir, and Dr. Om Prakash Jadhav sir for their valuable guidance on the topic of research methodology and SPSS. I must thank IQC Coordinator, TC College, Dr. Avinash Jagtap sir, and my Sri Sant Gajanan Mahavidyalaya, Mr. Sanjay Holambe sir. Coordinator Dr. Omkar Khiste sir, technical support and Assistant Professor TC College, Rahul Shah sir, and all the participants who have been registered in a huge number from all over India. With this note and with the consent of chairperson of validity function, I declare that this two-day national level seminar comes to an end. Thanking you.